Hey there, this is Heather with TwoBlooms.com, here to show you how to install presets into Lightroom CC. This is the cloud-based version of Lightroom and not to be confused with Lightroom Classic or Lightroom Classic CC, which is a completely different program. If you're using one of those programs, I've got a link below this video that will take you to the installation videos for those. But if your interface looks like this, then you're in the right place, so let's get started. So what you're going to want to do, if you're not already there, is come over here to your editing icon and click on it, and this is going to show you all of your editing tools. So scroll down to the bottom where it says presets, and we're going to click on that. Now, after we have opened the preset panel, you can see all the presets over here. You're going to click on this three little dot icon, and that's going to bring down this drop menu, and we're going to click on Import Presets. Now this is going to take you, it's going to open a browser. Make sure that you have already downloaded the presets onto your desktop and unzip the folder that it came in. So with all of my presets, if you purchase them from my site or if you download my freebies, they all come in a zip folder, so make sure you unzip them, store them, back them up, and then you can find them on your browser. So I'm just going to import a new preset collection. I'm going to just say we'll start with the Blessings collection, and I'm going to click on that folder itself. Now I am on a PC, so I'm going to choose all of these with Control A. If you're on a Mac, it's Command A. And then you just go ahead and click on Import. And after that's done, they will show up right in this little folder right here. So they're already perfectly organized and ready to go. If you'd like to try out our presets for free, make sure you visit the link below to grab a free sample pack from TwoBlooms.com. And thanks for tuning in.